Okay, children, good evening once again. This is session 2 of algebraic expressions and identities. So in class 1, in session 1, we understood how to add, subtract, and also multiply expressions. All right, so today we'll practice, we'll take up more questions on the same topic, addition, subtraction, and multiplication of algebraic expressions. All right, yeah. Online children, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the first question for
Yes,
today's
ma'am.
class. Yeah, write down,
Yes,
take down
ma'am.
all of you. Take down the question. Okay, now. Yeah, we'll just have a look at the answer and then I'll allow you to do it by yourself. So the question is to add these two expressions. We have two expressions here. We have two expressions. See, this is the first expression with 3 terms, and this is the second expression with 3 terms. Okay, so the 3 terms in the first expression have xy, y, and x as the literal factors. Okay, the 3 terms in the first expression have xy, y, and x as the literal factors. The 3 terms in the second expression also have x, y, x, and y as little factors. All right. So we do have like terms. We do have like terms in the 2 expressions. How many terms in all? 3 terms in the first expression, 3 terms in the second expression. See, this is an expression. This one is an expression. This one is an expression. 3 terms in the first expression, 3 terms in the second expression. So 6 terms in all. Okay, 6 terms and all. So what's the first step? How do you add? You need to write the 2 expressions in brackets, in simple brackets like this, and connect the 2 brackets with a plus sign, indicating you're adding the 2 expressions. If you have to subtract, then you should connect the brackets with a minus sign, indicating that you're subtracting. Yeah, correct. Okay, so here it is addition. Add the expressions. All right, so write the 2 expressions. This is the first expression. This is the second expression. Write the 2 expressions in a bracket and connect the brackets with a plus sign because you have to add. Now, next step, remove the brackets. So there'll be no change. Just free the terms from the bracket. Write these terms as it is. Write these terms also as it is because a plus sign outside the bracket will not disturb anything inside the bracket. When there's a plus sign outside, all the terms will just come out as they are with the same sign they have. If supposing this was a minus, if this was a minus, then these 3 terms inside the bracket will come out with their opposite signs. If this connecting sign was minus in case of subtraction, then when you remove the brackets, these 3 terms will come out of the bracket with their opposite sign. If they have a plus sign, it will come with a minus. If it's minus, it will be plus. That is when before the bracket, there's a minus sign. Now here, before this bracket, there's a plus sign. So simply remove the brackets. All right. Am I clear? The first expression, the terms in the first expression as it is. In the second expression also as it is because this bracket has a plus sign before it. Next step, collect the like terms. So xy, xy. collect the like terms. Then y, y. Okay, and x and x. Any order, you can write the x terms first, the y terms, and then the xy terms, any order. So we have collected the like terms in the second step. Okay, now we understood in session 1 that we can add or subtract only like terms. Addition, subtraction is possible only with like terms. Like terms meaning they should have the same literal factors. And when you add two like terms, the answer is also a like term. xy, 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 y, 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 x, x, x. When you add many terms with xy as the literal factors, the sum also will have xy. Only the numbers you have here, the numerical coefficients, you have to simplify. Okay. Okay. So see here, xy, xy, xy. So what should you simplify? 11 by 2 minus 13 by 7. 11 by 2 minus 13 by 7, xy. Correct? Okay. Next. Y, y. When you add, you'll get y. What should you simplify? 12 by 5 minus 11 by 2. 12 by 5 minus 11 by 2. X, x, x. Then what should you simplify? 13 by 7 minus 12 by 5. Correct? Okay. Then LCM. This part I'm not showing you. Now don't mug it up in a second. Don't see this. Okay. You should do this by yourself. This is LCM. This is taking LCM and calculating the numerators, and that's the final answer. All right. Okay. I'll just press until here. You know the first step, right? Yeah. Start. On that side, you cannot see, but you have to write. Okay, let me. Okay, write on this start. I'll just show you the first two steps, and then the LCM part you'll have to continue and complete the answer. Take down the first three steps, then complete your answer by taking the LCM and then simplifying. Take the table closer to you, boys. Take the table closer to you. Pull, Navneet. Take it closer to you, Navneet.
Ma'am,
Yes, Srijit.
ma'am, can I say the answer, ma'am?
Tell me.
Ma'am, minus 19 by 35 into x.
Okay. No,
Minus.
do one thing. Do one thing, Srijit. Send the picture on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my mother went out, ma'am.
Okay. Then just wait for 2 minutes. Let all your friends finish, and then we'll see. I'll ask you for the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
No, darling, please wait. 2
Okay,
minutes. Done here. Wait. 1 second. 1 second. Yes. Done. Okay. Finished? Okay, Srijit, tell me what is 11 by 2 minus 13 by 7? What do you get in the next step?
Ma'am, next step is 77 minus 26 by 14, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Hasni, next one, 12 by 5 minus 11 by 2. What did you get?
24 minus 55 by 10 y.
Very good. And Navneet, the last one? Correct, correct. Yourself, done with last part? 77 minus 26 by 14. Read from your book. Next, no, next step. 51 by 14 xy. You got it right? All of you check your answer. Am I right?
Ma'am, I did right, ma'am.
Very
Correctly,
good.
ma'am.
Very good, Srijit. Hasini. What about
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra? Very good.
Yes,
Hasini.
ma'am, it's right.
Sahasra.
It's right, ma'am.
Akshita.
Ma'am, it's right, ma'am.
Very good. So we gathered the xy terms. Then we wrote one xy outside the bracket. And the numerical coefficients 11 by 2 minus 13 by 7 inside the bracket. Take a plus sign. Write the numerical coefficients 12 by 5 minus 11 by 2 in the bracket and y. Okay. And then x outside the bracket. Take the numerical coefficients 13 by 7 minus 12 by 5 in the bracket. Put a plus sign outside. Now this is just LCM. Third standard, fourth standard, LCM, right? So this part I'm not explaining. Take the common denominator and on simplifying you get 77 minus 26 is 51. So 51 by 14, 51 by 14 xy or 51 xy by 14. See, 51 by 14 xy which is nothing but 51 xy by 14. Both are the same. Even if you've written 51 by 14 xy, that's fine. That's fine. You can also write it like this. Then here 24 minus 55 is minus 31. So minus 31 by 10 y. Or you can write it like this, minus 31 y by 10. Both are the same. 31 by 10 y. Okay. Minus 19x by 35. Easy. Yes. Next one. No. Next one. Yeah. Yeah, this is a test. All of you doing it by yourself without any help. Do it carefully. Don't be in a hurry. Don't try to, like be ahead and all that. Don't compete with others. Yeah. So we have y cube terms, y square terms, y terms, and then the constants. Correct. Correct. Yes. Y. Look at the letters in the terms. Y square, y cubed, and then numbers, constants. No, y square. No, they're not. Yeah, it's time. I have to. Okay. Working online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
No, I think that's a long time actually. No, that's really a long time. Anybody close to the answer? Okay. One more minute, I'll wait. Yeah, it's time. See here. I'm wrong then. All right, children. See the steps exactly like the earlier one. First, you need to write the expressions as it is in brackets. So see here 2. Can you see here 2? And then look at the board. Look at the board. Look at your screen, all students. 2. And then see here. All this should be put in a bracket. All these 3 terms in a bracket. Can you see here? See, you should follow the steps correctly and carefully. Very good. Okay. So the next three terms in a bracket, see here. Then again, these 3 terms in a bracket. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. The next 4 terms in a bracket. These brackets must be connected with a plus sign. Correct? When it's addition, put all the expressions in brackets and connect the brackets with a plus sign. Right? That's the first step. Next step is to remove the brackets. Remove the brackets. Simply remove the brackets. So the terms will just come out as they are. In the next step, you collect the like terms. In the next step, you collect the like terms. So first identify the literal factors. What are the different things you see? Y cubed, y cubed, y square, y square, y square, y, and then a constant, constant, constant. So there are 4 types here. Y cubed terms, y square terms, y terms, constants. Okay. So I've collected the y cubed terms first. This one and this one. And you can see I've put them in a bracket here. Y cubed terms. Y cubed in a bracket. Next, the y square terms. Y square, y square, y square, y square. Can you see? Y square, and y square in a bracket and take a plus sign outside. Then the y terms, y, y, y. Put the y terms in a bracket and a plus sign outside. And then the constants, 2 minus 4 by 3 plus 6 by 5. How many of you got this first step correct? First two steps correct? First two steps. Okay. First two steps right. Okay. Then after that, so y cubed, y cubed, y cubed. We need to add 5 by 2 and 5 by 3. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 3, correct? Then minus 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 3. Minus 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 3, y square. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, this is. Minus y by 2 meaning minus 1 by 2 plus 3, y. 2 by 3 and this is minus 1 by 2 plus 3, y. And the constants. I've taken the LCM here. That's it. Then LCM, the rest I think you can finish it. Yeah, please see if you have not got it right, please do it again from the beginning. Or if you're right to a certain extent, continue from there. I'll give you 10 minutes. Do not just copy from the screen. Take help, understand and work it. Any doubts, online children, please ask me. Yeah, Navneet, any doubt? Harini? Yeah, it's time, children. Finished? Tell me a book. So, இந்த மாதிரி by போடக்கூடாது. Very good. Good. Great எழுது. Name of the chapter is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Good. Okay. பெர்ஃபெக்டா பண்ணிருக்கேன். என்னன்னா அந்த பை வந்து இப்படி போடாதீங்க. Don't write 4y by 3 இப்படி போடக்கூடாது. 4y by 3 இந்த by தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Don't, this is a slash. இது வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டர் லாங்குவேஜ் ஆர் பிரிண்ட்ல எல்லாம் அப்படி வரும். Don't use 4/3 இப்படிதான் போடணும். Okay. Completed, all of you? Online children, any questions, please ask me. So what's the first step, children? To write all the expressions given in bracket. That's the first step. எல்லா எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸும் எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே எல்லாத்தையும் பிராக்கெட்ல எழுதணும். That's the first step. Then connect the brackets with a plus sign because it is addition. Connect the bracket with a plus sign because it's addition. That's the second step. Then remove the brackets. என்னடா அது bracket போடணும் அப்புறம் திருப்பி remove பண்ணணும். Brackets போடணும் because we are connecting it with a plus sign, no, indicating we are adding. So that is important. Then we remove the brackets. But since outside the bracket there's a plus sign, all the terms will come out of the bracket with their same sign. No change in sign. Same sign. They'll all just come out of the bracket. After that, we have to check the literal factors. Y cube term, y square term, y term, constants. So you should first observe what are the different terms available. Then you should, gather or group the like terms. So here we have y cube terms, y term, y square terms, y terms, and constants. So we have picked them and put them in brackets. If again bracket is not only plus sign. We pick the y cube terms, y square terms, y terms, and the constants and put them in brackets. Again, between the brackets, plus sign. Now we know when we add a y cube term and y cube term, the answer also will be a y cube term. So we put the y cube outside. The numerical coefficients 5/2 and 5/3 inside the bracket here, 5/2 plus 5/3. Very good. Then see it in the next one. Minus 5/3 plus 2/3 plus 3 y square. Y/2 means what? 1/2. Minus y/2 meaning minus 1/2 y. So 2/3 minus 1/2 plus 3 y. And here we only have constants, so I'll see. Completed, all of you? Online children. So after that it's just LCM, so I'm not going ahead. Six by 3. Okay, good. No. You should simplify. Okay, so good. Navneet, what is that? Minus 5 plus 2 is? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 9 is 6. 6/3 is 2. 6/3 is 2. When you simplify this, you get 6/3, which is 2. 2y square. All right. Okay, next one. This is simple. This is simple one. Yeah. Yeah, all of you must get the right answer for this. The simple one. Yeah, what's the answer? Sorry? Correct? 6 you got right. Then you are 29, is it? Check. Yeah, correct. No, the first part, the first term is wrong. Minus? What's your answer? Correct. Last உட்காந்து என்ன யோசிக்கிறேன்? Take the table closer to you. Correct. Shall we? Yeah, correct. Okay, okay. இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா பண்ணிருக்கேன் பட் இதை நீ ஒர்க் பண்ணவே இல்லை அப்படியே டபுக்கு ஆன்சர் போட்டேன். You didn't simplify it all. You just put the answer. Right? I have a simplify. Yeah, you have to do the calculation, right? Yeah. How did you get 6 and minus 9?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got the right answer, ma'am.
Very good. Shaded. Yeah. Understand? Yeah. Yeah. The last step you didn't. You just took the answer. Harini, pass your book.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I got the right answer, ma'am.
Hasni, good. No, she said she didn't complete it. So. Harini, you didn't see the comma, I think. Last. I think you didn't see the comma. How many expressions are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 expressions. Yeah, there are 4 expressions, each with 2 terms. Yeah. Completed, all of you? Yeah, once you get used to it, you don't have to show so many steps. You can directly, yeah. So in these 4 expressions, what are the literal factors you see? A square B and AB square. That's it. A square B, AB square. Either it is A square B or AB square. So A square B are like terms and AB square are like terms. A square B, collect all the A square B terms. They all make like terms. And then collect all the A B square terms. A B square terms. They're all like terms. A square B is different. A B square is different. Completed, all of you? Yeah. Let's understand the answer and then work. So now this is subtract. Subtract this expression from, look at the board. Subtract this expression from this expression. Subtract this from this. So whatever expression is given after from that you should write first. Whatever expression is given after from that you should write first. And because it is subtract minus, then this expression. You must write the 2 expressions in brackets. And you should connect the brackets with the minus sign because it is subtraction. And which one to write first? Whatever is given after from should be written first. Correct? Okay. After from this expression first and then this expression in brackets connected with the minus sign. Now, how do you remove the brackets? These terms will come out as they are, these 2 terms. Now these three terms, outside the bracket there's a minus sign. So they'll come out with their opposite signs. Now this is plus AB by 7. So it will become minus AB by 7. This is minus 35 by 3 BC. It will become plus 35 by 3 BC. This is plus 6 by 5 AC. It will become minus 6 by 5 AC. Because before the bracket there's a minus sign, the terms in the bracket will come out with their opposite signs. And then, as usual, group the like terms and simplify. Do it. Good. Okay. Yeah. Completed online children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. This 10 by 5 should be simplified. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That's how we get. Oh, I forgot to put AC here. Sorry. No, here, AC. I've forgotten to type AC here. No, I have a staff. I think I give her the content and she'll do it for me. But I have to check. I'll check everything. Once she's done, I'll go through everything and then we. Yeah. Yeah, Sridhar, you have a beautiful voice, but we'll have this in a different session. Now you'll have to disable your mic.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Harini, how this 10 by 5 becomes 2 here? Simplifying. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So minus 2 AC. All right. Okay. Next one. Take away 3x minus 4y minus 7z from the sum of the given two expressions. So it's like take away, listen to me, take away 10 from the sum of 2 and 6. So how will you do this? Take away 10 from the sum of 2 and 6. So step 1, what will you do? Step 1, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And step 2, 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Correct? Yeah. Take away 10 from the sum of 2 and 6. From what you have? From the sum of 2 and 6. So you should first add 2 and 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Now from that, you should take away 10. Take away means subtract. So 8 minus 10 minus 2. Use the same idea. Do it in 2 steps. See here. Okay, don't look at, see, those who need help need the answer, right? So you don't see the screen, just take the question from here. Work it in 2 steps, step 1 and step 2. In step 1, find the sum. Please take help of the slide, children. Not that you'll have to do it by yourself. You can look at the slide, understand, and then work it. So what do we do in step 1, Harini? We find the sum of this expression and this expression, right? We find the sum of this expression and this expression. So see, this expression in a bracket, this expression in a bracket connected by a plus sign. Then remove the brackets. Okay. Then collecting the like terms. X minus 4x, collecting the like terms and simplify. Then in step 2, take away this one, take away this from what's the answer? From this one, from minus 3x plus 6y minus 9z. Because what is the sum of this expression and this expression? This one, right? So it's like take away this expression from this expression. So whatever is after from, that you should write first. So see here. And then this one separated by a minus sign because take away. Yeah, do it. Got it? Finish, Navneet? Okay. Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Akshita,
Ma'am.
completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions? Shrikant, you got it? Next boy, Avanish? Harini? Doing. Okay. Step 2. Huh? There's a no clock classroom. I know the time. 8:40. Classroom ambience maintain பண்ணு. What's happening? No. No, children, stop that. Finish, Ready? Yeah. Look at this. Subtract. Okay, I just want to talk about this. See here. This one. Take away this expression from the sum of this and this, right? So from what is the sum of these two expressions? Minus 3x plus 6y minus 9z, correct? So now read the question. Take away this expression from this expression. See what is the sum? What is the sum of these two expressions we got? The sum of these two expressions is minus 3x plus 6y minus 9z. Okay, so let me take away the sum of, because we found the sum, no? So let me take away this. So this is the sum of the two expressions. Now read the question. Take away this expression from this expression. That's why in step 2, we write this first. Whatever is after from, we write this one first, and then this expression, and we put a minus sign between the brackets because it is take away, subtract. Yeah, next one. Yeah. So just use numbers to understand. Subtract the sum of 5 and 4 from the sum of 10 and say like minus 12. Oh, you don't have to take negative, just take simple numbers so that you understand the situation. So Harini, what you do first? For this numerical question, similar to the given question, subtract the sum of, see, I've constructed a similar question using numbers so that we understand how to go about the answer. Okay, and the question madhe na question create pannirukku, but on the expressions badla we have used numbers. So subtract the sum of 5 and 4 from the sum of 10 and 12. So what do you do in step 1? Okay, anything you can do first. You can do 5 plus 4 also first. What is 5 plus 4? 9. In step 2, no, see, sum of 5 and 4 you should do first. Then you must do sum of 10 and 12. Then plus 12, 22. Now, what is the sum of 5 and 4? 9, no? What is the sum of 10 and 12? 22. Now read the question. Subtract 9 from 22. You understand how? Yeah. Now read it like this. Subtract 9 from 22. So what do you do in step 3? 22 minus 9. That is step 2 minus step 1. Step 2 minus step 1. Correct? Yeah. Do it. Work the answer in 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Yeah.
Can we cancel negative 17 square and positive 17?
Yes. One second. No, wait. Others are working. No, we'll give everybody time to finish. Want to show me your work? Let me just see the answer. What's that? L, yeah? Your final answer. L? L. That's a capital L. There's no capital L there. It's a small L. Correct? Oh, you want to see it again? Any method. I've worked it there.
Still two steps are right.
Very good, very good. Yes.
After doing
Do. Yeah. Any method, vertical or horizontal method, any method. Yeah. Seven o'clock.
I made a small mistake. I thought that 9 is minus 9 is something. And right.
91, you know. Lovely, he's calling you. You want something? Oh.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Very good. Now tell me this, complete this Sri Jet.
Okay, ma'am. 6L plus 3M plus N square plus 3N square.
Why do you write 3n square first? You tell me, look at the screen, don't read from your book.
Okay, ma'am. Minus 5L, ma'am.
Ah.
Plus M
Ah.
plus 3N square, ma'am.
Okay, then?
Then 6L minus 5L plus 3M plus M plus 3 plus N square plus 3N square is equals to L plus 4M plus 4N square.
Very good. Very good, Srijat. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ah. I've gone wrong?
vertical method.
Yeah, both you can do. Any method you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus 4n plus 4n square. Oh, where do you? 6L. Oh, I put a, oh, there's a minus. Sorry. I've gone wrong here, children. This is not a plus, it's a minus. Oh, sorry, this is a minus. So this will be minus 11. So this will be minus 11.
Ma'am, I also thought that it was a minus, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just correcting. Wait. Is it right now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got that.
Okay. Yeah. So minus 11n squared here, no mistake, then yeah, minus, then it becomes plus and plus. Yes. So if you have done it using the horizontal method, then these are the steps, correct? I also have the working in the vertical style. I'll show that. Completed? What do you say? Okay. Have a look at the vertical method. In the vertical method, when it's subtraction, you'll have to change the signs throughout on the second expression. Not here, here. Put your leg down, Navneet. Anybody has worked in the vertical style? Vertical method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's like this. Step 1 is addition. Step 2 addition. Step 3 is subtraction. So you'll have to change the signs of all the terms in the second expression. Plus 5L becomes minus 5L. Minus M becomes plus N. Minus 11 becomes plus 11. Step 1 is addition. Step 2 is addition. Step 3 is subtraction. So when it's subtraction, you must change the signs of all the terms in the second expression, the bottom row, this one. Change the signs. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. The changed sign is what you see here. In your book, you can write like this. You can put it like this in your book. While typing, it will come here only. So you see it here. You can, when you write it like this. Okay. Next one.
cancel minus 2x plus 3x plus minus 3.
Correct? No?
I got it correct. Minus 2x minus 6x square plus 3.
No, I presented, I don't know. Quiet if you've finished your work, quiet. You know any shlokas, recite the shloka in your mind. It's 1 hour to 10. But the class is till 9:30 today. I started at 7:30, no? I've texted your parents to pick you at 9:30. So first we need to find the sum. Then you should subtract this answer from the 5. You must subtract this answer. You should subtract this answer from 5. So from what comes after from? 5. So 5 should be written first. Minus this answer. Yeah, Navneet, what's it out? Where? Where minus into minus? No, 1 minute. See here. We need to find the sum of this expression and this expression, correct? See, it's very clear, no?
Ma'am, I
Sub-
got the correct answer, ma'am.
Good. Read the question carefully. Subtract the sum of this and this. So you should find the sum of these two expressions. No, look at the board, Navneet. Serious. You answered. Subtract the sum of these two expressions from 5. So add these two expressions. Get the answer. Get the answer. And then 5 minus this answer. Because subtract from 5. So 5 minus this answer. Here 5 minus this answer. Yeah. Got it? Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I hope all of you understood the question correctly. We need to first find the sum of these two expressions. See here, sum of this and this. So first find the sum of these two expressions, which is this. And now from that answer, this is the sum, right? So from this answer, we'll just call this answer. So the sum of these two expressions, that answer, subtract this one from 5. From 5, so 5 first. And then this answer. And subtract, so minus sign. So 5 as it is. And this bracket, before this bracket is a minus sign. So all the terms will come out with their opposite sign. Minus 2x plus 2x. Plus 6x squared minus 6x squared. Plus 2 minus 2. Opposite sign. Because outside the bracket there's a minus sign. If outside the bracket there's a plus sign, no change. The terms will come out with the same sign they have. If there's a minus sign outside the bracket, the terms will come out with their opposite signs. Plus, minus, minus, plus. All right, next one. This is homework. Yeah, this also is homework. I'll share the homework later. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Okay. Those who need help can just listen. So this is the question. Add these two expressions, add this one and this one. So the first step, this is the first expression, this is the second expression connected with the plus sign because it's add. It's add. Now you need to multiply 4y with every term inside the bracket. You need to multiply 4y. Multiply 4y with every term inside the bracket. See, those who want should listen. Online children and offline children. Because others are working doesn't mean that even we should know it.
No, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we are here to learn. We don't know, we have to listen. You should not worry about the others who already finished it. You should only be selfish. Be worried only about yourself. Don't bother about others. They have done it, not done it. Okay. Yeah, okay. So see here. So plus because it's addition, all right? Now, what do? Multiply 4y with every term inside the bracket. Okay. So see here, see this one. 4y into 3y square, correct, Harini? 4y into 3y square. How do you multiply 4 into 3? 12. Y into, so not 4y square. So 4y into 3y square. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. Oh my God, why am I writing y square? 4y. Okay. So 4 3s are 12, y into y square, y cube, correct? Then 4y into 5y. 4 5s are 20, y into y, y square. How y into y is y square? Why is y into y, y square? Because base are same, laws of exponents. Base are same and its multiplication, we need to add the powers. So y is y to the power 1, y is y to the power 1. So when you multiply, add the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So when you multiply these two, you get 20 y square. Then when you multiply these two, multiply the signs. How do we multiply? We multiply the signs, multiply the numbers, multiply the letters. That's the order. Multiply the signs, numbers, and the letters. So when you multiply the signs, 4y into minus 7, correct? So there's a plus here, plus into minus, minus. 4 7s are 28y, minus 28y. Do the same thing here. Multiply 2 with every term inside the bracket and get the terms outside the bracket like this. Once you multiply, bracket is removed. Then gather the like terms, y cube, y square, y, and constant, and simplify. Once you open the bracket, it's no more multiplication. It will only be addition or subtraction. Collect the like terms and it's add or subtract depending on the sign. Same signs, we should add, different signs, subtract. Good. Completed? Yes, we do. No, we should have the same steps. Do you have? Show me water bottle. Water bottle. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, why you did the problem? Y is like this, a small y like this. Okay. Practice the division like this, and y x if before plus. Are you writing x like this? No, right? Like this. Okay, yeah. Y இப்படி வேண்டாம். ஏன்னா don't write. You practice writing y like this in algebra. Small letter y. Completed? Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. Try this. I'm not helping. Try this. Hmm.
what is Q1 to minus Q1?
What is
Q1 to minus. Minus
q into minus q is minus q squared.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Yeah. Check your answer.
Ma'am, correct answer.
Very good. So when you multiply these two terms, see which one to write first. Whatever is after from should be written first. Correct? And then this expression. And the connecting sign is minus because it's subtract. Avanish. Okay, so now 2pq into p. So here we'll have to multiply p and p. What is p into p? P into p is p into p, meaning p to the power 1 plus 1.
P squared.
P squared, yeah. So 2p squared q. Then when you multiply these two, 2pq squared. And here minus 3p squared q. Minus 3p squared q. And when you multiply these two, minus into minus plus. You'll have to multiply the signs. You're multiplying two terms. No, they have a sign before it. Multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 3pq square. Q into q square. So now this is p square q. This is pq square. 2 minus 3. When you add or subtract, you're only going to calculate the numerical coefficients. The literal factors will just come as it is. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. So minus 1 p square q or minus p square q. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Got it, all of you? Completed online, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. So that's it in this presentation. Not for the class. We have 10 minutes more, children.
Okay.
Huh? Two sums, huh? Okay. Two big sums. One sum with 5 questions in it, sub questions. Okay, fine. Let's not waste time here. Okay, quite good. Okay, a little of multiplication also we understood in the first session. Okay. Not all these questions now. Yeah, please try the first one, second one, and the third one, and we'll wind up the class for today. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3A alone. All right, yeah. Children, yes, of course. Yeah, online children will work the first, second, and the third one. Please take down the question and then work the answer. Okay, quite, but disturbing the others also. So what's the formula to find the volume of a cuboid? Very good. Hasini, what's the formula to find the volume of a cuboid?
Ma'am, they didn't teach me.
Yeah, okay, that's why. Yeah. So the formula to find the volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. LBH cubic units. See, like how do you find the area of a rectangle? How do you find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, right? L into B. L into B square units. Volume is L into B into H cubic units. Finish the first and the second one. Yeah, check the answer with the first and second one, children. Is the first answer right? Online children. 3 into 2, 6. Y into Y cubed. Bases are same. Multiplication, add the powers. 1 plus 3, 4. And x square as it is. Yeah, the next answer. L into B into H. Volume of a rectangular box. Rectangular box is a cuboid. Rectangular box is a cuboid. It's not a rectangle. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. And then all these literal factors, they're all different. So it's going to be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Any order you can write, but prefer the alphabetical order. Any order is fine. You can even write 30, AX, BY, CZ is also fine. Right, okay. Okay, yeah. I have written it in the alphabetical order, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Yeah, I think easy for you. Yeah, this is 3A children. In the third question, we have 3 or 4 subdivisions, right? How many? 4. Okay. Not 4. 3. Yeah. Yeah, this is the answer for the first one. Online children, please check your answer. So when you're multiplying, okay, Navneet, what do you call this? This is this expression has one term, so it's called a monomial. This one is a monomial. And what about this? Haven't finished. This is a trinomial. What about this? No, I haven't finished. This one? Quadrinomial. Yeah. No, for that matter, this also is a polynomial. This is also a polynomial. Okay, so this is multiplying a monomial by a monomial. A single term by another single term. You have finished, but still you have to listen. Put your hand down. Yeah. Put your hand down. Take a good posture. I teach you like that. You will laugh at me, right? Yeah. Okay. So this one is a monomial. This is also a monomial. So we're finding the product of a monomial by a monomial. Okay. So how do you multiply? Multiply the numbers first. 4 into minus 3 by 2. Multiply the numbers and then multiply the letters. So we have x square and x square. So x square into x square. Then y into y. Z into z square. Because by the law of exponents, base are same, multiplication, add the powers. Okay, so multiply the numbers. So we have 4 into minus 3 by 2. Multiply the letters x square, x square. So see here, add the powers. Y, y, add the powers. Y means y to the power 1. Okay, z, z square. Z is z to the power 1, so 1 plus 2. You know it, so I'm just doing it fast. So here on cancelling, it's minus 6, x to the power 4, y squared, z cubed. Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, we'll wind up with this one. Work this and we'll wind up the session for today. Let me see if all of you can get this right. Yeah, this is a testing question for the class. Two minutes, Mama. What's answer? What are the powers? Okay. Right. Yeah, I want the answer from Hasini.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm solving.
Yeah, please finish and let me know.
Ah.
Srijit, finished? Akshita?
Ma'am?
Yeah. Completed?
Oh, ma'am, I'm solving.
Okay. Not challenging. Okay, it's time, children. Yeah, what's the answer here? Tell me.
Ma'am, 2000 x power 12, y power 22, z power 32.
You? Same answer?
Same.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
2000 x power 12 y power 22 z power 32.
Perfect. Correct, Hasini.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll catch you in the test then. Okay, quite. All right, so how do you simplify this? The power is 2. So 10 squared, 100, x squared, y squared, z squared. Now multiply 20 into 100, 2000. How do you multiply these two? Add the powers. Add the powers. Multiply these two. Add the powers. All right. Okay. All right, online children. I hope all of you have completed. I'll share the images of today's class on WhatsApp. You're leaving? Yeah, I haven't still dispersed the class. Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. You may leave the call, online children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.